Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you my noodles in chicken curry sauce. So come along with me and let's do this together. Our chicken is already cut and diced, so I'm adding like half teaspoon of curry powder. You can use any curry powder you want. This one is very hot. Half tablespoon of fennel seed, salt, black pepper, some chicken seasoning, oregano, some rosemary. You can add any herbs you want. You can add fresh or dry like I'm using. So mix everything together. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I want buttery flavor in it. You can use oil if you want to. Allow it to melt. Now add our chicken. What I ought to have done was to add the garlic, ginger, the measurement of what I'm using today will be in the description box. Ginger. So I was supposed to have fried this, make them tender before adding the chicken, but sometimes, you know, out of excitement you can forget. So I'm adding some already sliced onions, and just mix up. Put the chicken to one side. This will help our chicken to be flavored. Our onion, garlic, ginger ready now. So I'll mix it with my chicken. While I'm using butter, some people will prefer to use ghee. GHEE is a form of liquid liquidized butter. Put the butter on the stove in your pot and then you just allow it to melt until it's ready, and it can last longer than butter, and it gives this nice aroma to your dishes. So you can use oil, you can use butter, or you can use ghee. Now I'll cover and let's check our chicken. So this is done for now. Set it aside. So in a clean pot I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it go around the top. I'm going to be frying my curry powder. When it is fried, it releases the aroma even more. Be careful, don't allow it to get burnt. Now we add our onion. Now the green pepper. Actually it's green chili. It's green chili. You can do it fast. See the color. Wonderful. After about 3 minutes, I'm adding my carrots. Because I'll be adding noodles to it, I would like to use this. It's just tomato blended smoothly. Or you can use plum tomato if you so wish, or you can use fresh tomato. So now, pour it in. So I will leave this to cook very well. Then so I'll cover it. Just leave it. It's time to check. See, there is no water again, so that I'll be able to get every benefit out of this. I'll just add little water, it round, that so that you get everything in. Because I'm going to transfer it to a beautifully cooked chicken. So I'm putting hot water. Should be about 2 cups of water should do. Yeah. Chicken curry sauce. Now it's time to add our coconut milk. Some do use cream. Jamaicans or the Caribbean, they don't use coconut or any form of cream to theirs. I just love it in it. I'll be using these noodles, but I won't be using the flavor in it. It's very bubbly. So I'll put, careful. Is your mouth already watering? This is nice. We don't want it too thick and we don't want it too watery. So I'll be leaving it now, cover it up. Oh, this is beautiful. Allow it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's check. Wow, look at it. This is nice, not too thick and not watery at all. Now let's taste our noodles in chicken curry sauce. Look at it, very beautiful. The curry is so intense. The flavor, the chicken. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover the more. And as you discover, you will enjoy. Like today, we have discovered that we can add noodles into chicken curry sauce and cook it together like that, and it tastes so yummy. Why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, leave your comments in the comment section, subscribe if you have not, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. Till next time, bye.